Hi everyone, I'm Linda Janelle, the Marketing Manager for Catapult Groups. In this week's blog post, I've written about a few ways that you can drive your email marketing campaigns. If you're not already using email as a primary marketing tool, you're missing out on one of the best ways to reach your audience. Whether you're just getting started or looking to increase engagement, I've listed a few ways for you to increase your open rates and ultimately drive sales. 1. Be consistent. If I've signed up to receive emails from you, it's because I trust what you have to say and I want to hear from you. Whether you're emailing once a week or once a month, keep your emails consistent to prevent people from unsubscribing. 2. Give your audience what they want. Write about topics that are relevant and interesting to your audience. Keep them in the forefront of your mind as you write and keep your message on target. 3rd, make sure you have a CRM system in place to track and analyze your open and click rates. This is the easiest way to determine which messages resonated with your audience and which didn't. And lastly, make sure it's easy for your audience to share